Today we're going to walk through how to change your download location on the Telegram desktop app easily. Whether you want to keep your files organized, free up space on your main drive, or just prefer things exactly where you want them, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to not only set a default download folder, but also how to choose a custom location every time you save a file from Telegram. Let's dive right in. So first, we're going to set a default download location. Open up your Telegram desktop app. If you've never really poked around the settings, don't worry, it's more user-friendly than you might think. At the top left corner of the window, there's a little icon that looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that. I always think of this menu as the command center for Telegram. It's where you find most of the app's controls. Once the menu pops up, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on it and you'll be taken to the main settings page. Now from here, what we want is under Advanced. Sometimes folks get a little nervous about clicking Advanced, but I promise nothing here is too techy. It's just where Telegram puts the settings that let you control how it handles files and notifications. Inside the Advanced section, hunt down the Download Path setting. This is where Telegram decides where to save everything you download by default. Currently, it's probably set to a generic folder, maybe the Downloads folder on your computer. But if you'd rather have Telegram files go somewhere more specific, like your Documents folder, a special project directory, or even straight to the cloud if you've got a synced folder set up, this is the place to change it. Click on Download Path, and you'll notice you have a few options. To customize it, select Custom Folder. A window will pop up letting you browse your computer and pick any folder you like. For example, maybe you're working on a group project and want all Telegram downloads to go into a Group Files folder on your desktop. Just find it in your list and select it. Once you've picked your new folder, click Save to lock it in as your default download path. That's it. Now, every time you download a photo, document, or any file from Telegram, it'll automatically go to your chosen spot, making it super easy to keep track of everything. But let's say you want even more control. Maybe you have different chats for different projects and you want files from each chat to go into separate locations. Telegram makes this really easy too. Here, how you do it. Open the Telegram desktop app again and head back into Settings, then Advanced. Look for the option called Ask Download Path for each file. By default, this will be turned off, but to activate it, just toggle the switch to the on position. What this does is pretty neat. Every time you download a file, a new window will pop up asking, where do you want to save this? You get to decide each and every time. Maybe today you're downloading a bunch of PDFs for work, and you want those to go to your job folder. Tomorrow it might be vacation photos you want in your Pictures directory. This feature gives you complete control over your file organization, and it can save you a ton of time sorting files later. And that's all there is to it. Setting a default location and giving yourself the option to pick a folder on the fly makes managing your Telegram downloads way more flexible. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need tips for other Telegram features. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.